Question 18. A number of students go on a coach trip. The cost of hiring the coach is £180. The school pays 80% of this cost. The students pay the rest. Each student pays £1.50. Work out the number of students on each trip. So I think with this sort of question, there's a lot of information, and we just need to start somewhere. Okay, so I'm going to start with the school pays 80% of this cost. The cost is 180. So I want 80% of 180. This is the amount the school pays. Okay, so let's find 80%. So 10% is going to be 18, right? Because to find 10%, I'm going to divide by 10, right? So 10% is 18. So 80% is 8 lots of 18. Right, and that's one way I could do it. The other way is to find out 20% and subtract that from 100%. But, you know, whatever you choose to do. So if I do 8 times by 18, any method for that, so to 80% is 8 times by 18, 64, 8, and 144 pounds. That's the amount that the school is paying. You just need to think very carefully about that. The students pay the rest. So the students are going to pay what's left. 180 minus 144 is 36 pounds. So that's the amount the students must pay. Okay, so the students pay 36 pounds, and each student pays £1.50. So what that means is you've got 36, and I'm going to divide that by £1.50 to see how many 36s go into £1.50. Oh, sorry, how many £1.50s go into 36 pounds. Now, a bunch of different ways of doing this. It's the same as 36 divided by 1.5, isn't it? And I would tend to do this as an equivalent fraction. So what you have is 36 over 1.5, which is the same as 360 divided by 15, because I like to work with whole numbers. So whatever method you have for this, if you have time at the end of the exam, you could even just go £1.50, £3, £4.50, you know, and just add on. But you should be able to do this. 360 divided by 15. So we're going to do that as a bus stop division. 15 into 360. 15 goes into 3, not at all. 15 goes into 36 2 times, because 15 times 2 is 30. I've got 6 left over. 15 goes into 60 4 times. There's your answer, 20.